I have already multiplied, divided by 86 will be 3000 plus 406.98, which is 3406.98 is the value of median, right? So now let us see mode with missing frequency. I have already given you one example having classes 5 to 14, 14 to 23 and so on. And in the column of frequency you can see we have two unknown terms. Those are A and B. So this is an example of mode with missing frequency, and here we are going to find out the value of A as well as the value of B. You see that in such kind of sums, it is necessary to have the value of N and the value of mode, that means Z. So it is already given in the question that the total observations is 165 and the value of mode is given to be 34.5. So let us see how we are going to solve this sum. Please see that this value of mode 34.5, it lies in the class 32 to 41, right? 34 lies between 32 to 41. So this is 34.5. So this 32 to 41 is called to be your modal class, right? And its class size, which is equal to 9. Class size is same everywhere, 41 minus 32, 32 minus 23. So that class size we can also denote it by H, right, is equal to 9. So according to this modal class, we will choose the value of F0, F1 and F2, right? So your F1 is 53, F0, the frequency of the preceding class is A, and F2 is the frequency of succeeding class, which is equal to B, right? So we can mention over here F0 is A, F1 is 53 and F2 is equal to B. The very first thing is to obtain the total of this total frequency. So if I add up 5, 11, 53, 16 and 10, so I will be getting total 95. So this is A plus B plus 95, which is the total number of observation. So the very first step will be to compare this value of N with the given value of N in the question. So we will get the first step as N is 165 as per question, and what we got from the table is A plus B plus 95 as N. Okay, if we compare it with 165, we will get one equation, A plus B is equal to 70. So just highlight it. This is our result number 1. Now we know the normal formula of mode. Z is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 to F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H, right? As I told you, we are being given already the value of Z. If you remember, it was 34.5. And now these are the values of F1, F0 and F2. H is equal to 9. Only one thing we forgot to write is L. The lower limit of the modal class L was 32. Okay, so let me put all these values here. If we remember again, Z was 34.5, L 32, F1 was 53 minus A, 2 into 53 minus A minus B into 9. If we calculate this, we will be getting 34.5 minus 32, that is directly I am writing 2.5 is 53 minus A. Here this will be 106 minus, I am taking minus sign common, so I will be getting A plus B into 9. Now if you remember, our result number 1 was A plus B is 70. So I can replace A plus B as 70. So now I will be getting 2.5 is equal to 53 minus A. Let me do it directly. 106 minus 70 whole into 9. So this, after the calculation, you will be getting 2.5 is 53 minus a into 9, and this will be 36. We all know 9 fours are 36. 4 multiplied by 2.5 will be 10. So I am writing directly 10 is equal to 53 minus a. Right? So 10 is equal to 53 minus a. So you will get a is equal to 43. Now do you remember our first equation was a plus b is equal to 70. So putting a as 43, so 43 plus b is 70. B we will be getting as 27. And in this way we have obtained the values of missing frequencies a and b.